workshops. Pero mas makulit na kayo ngayon, mas nakapag-branding kayo, Andres. How was it? Nakailang tapings na kayo. Kasi parang may namimiss ka ng mga events nyo ng family mo, like the MTV Christmas group party. Wala ka doon because I think you're busy with the taping of the channel section.
Yes, so naging busy ako sa taping ng Channel section. So I've missed out on some events with the family, but it's definitely worth it kasi we got a lot closer as a cast together. Parang we all just vibe with each other and we can connect easily with each other. Tapos ang saya ng taping namin, it's really a good experience every time. And we always come to set excited talaga and ready to perform.
Yeah, at parang mas makukulit kayo ngayon at mas matindi ng banding pagsasama nyo, di ba? Nagkukwento ka kay Atasha, your mom, Charlene, your father, Aga, regarding your taping o knowing Aga and Charlene. I'm sure sila yung nagtatanong pa against them.
Yes, so I like to always make them kwento about how the day went really and how the sequences went and maybe the things that I learned that day as well. I really enjoy telling them about those things because they also can relate, right? And they can share their experiences and how they apply it as well.
Siyempre, meron ka ng the first family eh. So, we're sure hindi ka masyadong nanibago with the taping, di ba? Pero tapos it, can you make kwento? How's your co-stars?
So the first family, kasi it's sitcom style and usually we do like 1 or 2 takes and it's just, the cameras are already set up. Pero dito kasi, sa Mutya, naninibago ako kasi may reverse angle, wide angle, tight shot.
It's like movie.
Yes, it's like a movie talaga. So it's all new to me. And of course, you have a great director that is directed, that is guiding us throughout this whole experience. So it's all really a learning experience every time I come to the set.
Yeah, so mas mahirap, no? Unlike your sitcom na sobrang dali, di ba? O, pwede mag-retake, but walang masyadong maraming angle na kailangan kasi iba't ibang camera, no? So, direct, it's a long time, no? And, okay naman, naka-adapt naman kagad si Andres.
Yes, sir, June. Actually, I'm very surprised. At first, I was syempre being careful, showbiz royalty, right? Baka hindi ko pwedeng pagalitan, baka hindi ko pwedeng sigawan. But the thing about Andres is that siya mismo, kumukusa siya to really learn kung ano yung craft. And even yung bonding activity na notice mo nakakulitan, si Andres yung pasimuno na may cheesy sila na mga lahat ng Section E boys nag-invite siyang mag-basketball sila together. Kaya ngayon, parang all for one, man for all na talaga sila. So, yun yung appreciate ko Andres na kahit na isa siyang ulat, okay lang na sigawan. Okay lang pagalitan. Okay lang na talagang pipikain mo and wala sa kanya. Kasi he wants to learn, he wants to learn this craft.
So you mean nasigawan mo siya?
Hindi naman po. Ano lang, like for example, sa mga normal naman sa isang director, pag sobrang, impatient na, minsan sisigaw ka, ano ba? Gano'n. So, okay, hindi naman yun sa kanya lang. Kumbaga sa lahat yun, pag magulo, makulit, yung parang behave. Kasi makulit talaga sila, 16 boys eh. So, ang hirap talaga nilang i-control. Pero, yun yung kinakatakot ko kasi baka yung iba, magkaroon ako ng special favor kasi kasi mulat siya, yung parang yung iba hindi ko yan. Pero, equal yung treatment sa lahat at okay lang sa kanya. Bumabanding siya sa iba, tumatawag siya with them, nakikipagkulitan siya with them. So, yun talaga yung pinaka-appreciate ko kay Andres.
Yeah, ako ang naririnig ko sa mga naging kaibigan niya sa Madrid, he's really like that. Down to earth, mapagkaibigan, walang Pilipinas. Pero direct napatunayan niya bang anak siya ni Aga Mula? Siyempre, Aga is known for talagang one of the best actors sa ating industry, di ba? So, si Andres ba, lumabas na ang pagiging anak ni Aga na magaling umarte?
Nag-pressure siya doon. Ayaw niya nang nag-compare siya, but definitely he has it. Nakita mo naman in a short amount of time, from the day 1 hanggang yung day 9, ang laki ng improvement. From the Tagalog, from the nuances, from the acting, ibang-iba mula nung nag-start kami sa workshops. So ito pala yung first niya na narrative ha. So what more kung mahasa na siya, mas marami pa siyang gagawin. So I'm just excited kung saan papunta yung career niya.
Yan, Andres, it's so exciting na nakaka-proud. Oo, si Direk na yan, alam mo na, napakaraming magandang projects yan. Abang hearing, no, yung mga sinabi niya, yung mga papulay niya, anong napipil mo ngayon?
Sorry, can you please?
Anong napipil mo ngayon? Anong marinig mo yan?
Sa totoo lang, I feel super touched, and knowing that I get to work with a great director that is directed in my first series project, my first serious project. It means a lot, and I'm really glad that he's taking good care of us and me as well.
Yan. Anyways, congratulations with Amuchana Section E. Yan, thank you.
Yan po ang tinig ni Mr. June Laleng of Babante. Next up, it's Alan Sancoan ng Stars Photo.
Hello, good afternoon. Congratulations sa trailer, Direk and the rest of the cast. So, parang cinematic yung dating at ang galing naman, nakakilig yung mga eksena. Yung first question ko to Direk, kasi parang, parang this is a new team, love team, di ba? Parang sila Andres and Ashtin. So, alam naman namin, isa kayo sa mga nagpasikat ng mga love team dito sa Pilipinas, sila Lisken, di ba? How is it working with them? At ano nakikita niyong potential dito sa bagong love team na Andres and Ashtin?
Actually, sobrang laking potential po. Simulan ko na sa, di ba, yung formula yung nilagay si opposites at track. At dun pa lang, kumbaga kikiligin ka pag medyo they come from the opposite side of the world, and then hahanapin mo yung what's common in them, paano sila mag-connect. So, dun pa lang sa personal background nila, yung parang na-excite ka na kung anong pwede mangyari once na yung plot is may love na sila sa isa't isa. Pero yung ako naman personally din, in launching a love team, hindi naman talaga siya dahil ang goal. Dapat din hinuho nila yung craft nila, yung acting nila, at yun naman yung gusto ko sa dalawa. Like si Ashtin, sobrang she worked hard to get this role. She's been in the business for many years already, and finally she got this big role. At talaga naman sa set, kita ko yung hunger niya, yung gigil nila, patunayan yung sarili niya. And that's what I appreciate about her. Nagtutulungan sila. And yun, so kumbaga, ayokong sabihin na sila na yung next big thing, but of course with the, sana nga, pero parang nakaka-proud naman kasi syempre parang mga naging anak ko na rin sila. Oh, dito. So yun naman like for me as a director, alam ko naman yung purpose ko is for me to make the dreams of these actors come true. And if that means because of this project, they really did big in their future, in their career, then I will be very happy already.
Thank you, Direk. Yung last question ko to the three lead cast, Robin, Andres, and Ashton. Kasi parang you will lead the group. Kumbaga kayo yung pinaka-head of these three, di ba yung Matiana section. Especially to Andres and Ashtin and Robin, how you work on your chemistry. Kasi nakita namin doon pa lang sa trailer kanina, like yung eksena ni Andres sa ni Ashtin, yung pagpindot ng ilong, like that. So parang how you work on that? Parang nag-usap pa kayo or parang nag-workshop pa kayo? Yeah.
Yung chemistry po namin tatlo, siguro mas naging okay after the workshop. Tapos, si Ash kasi, naka-work ko na siya before sa The Ship Show. And kaya hindi na kami nagkakayaan sa isa't isa. Tapos si Andres naman, nung una ko siya nakita, talagang nagulat ako eh. Kaya, siyempre mula. Tapos, gwapo, tangkad, parang kinakabahan ako may pagtrabaho sa kanya. Pero ayun, after the workshop, nag-aayaya na siya lumabas, nag-basketball kami, food trip, kung saan. Ayun, naka-close ko na si Andres, kaya nawala na yung hiya ko sa kanya. Tapos, ayun, ang ganda na ng mga scenes namin. Abangan niyo guys.
Ashtin, sabi ka launching mo to, napakalaking big hit sa'yo.
Opo. Ayun din, katulad din sinabi ni Rami, nagkasama na po kasi kami sa work before, so hindi na po ako gano'n nahirapan at hindi po ako medyo nahihiya sa kanya. And kay Andres, noong una nahihiya talaga ako, hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-approach kasi natatakot ako baka, ay baka di mo pansin, gano'n. Pero hindi, siya pa yung naunang nag-approach sa amin lahat. Tapos, pinakilala niya pa yung sarili niya. And, nung siguro, ang effort na ginawa ko lang nung after namin mag-photoshoot ba yun? Nagawa kong GC namin tatlo para mas maging close kami. Tapos, after nun, wala, okay na. Nag-chat na lang kami. Sobrang natural na lang. Hindi na pinipilit. Yun ba?
Thank you. How about Andres?
Para sa akin, feeling ko na the chemistry from day one, from all three of us, nandyan na. I felt like, from the day that I met these guys, everyone in the cast, like, I felt comfortable, and I know as well that they felt comfortable with me after a while, maybe. Pero, yun lang, I just felt na from day one, it was all the right things coming together. Kaya, pero,
Thank you. And congratulations with the end session.
Thank you. Alan Sancoan ng Stars Photo. Next up, it's Dolly Ann Carvajal ng Philippine Star. Dolly Ann, Renz.
I'm still waiting for answers. Anyway, my question is, Section E is composed of rowdy students. If you don't mind, would you like to share the naughtiest thing you did at school?
the naughtiest thing I did in school? Kailangan ko isipin yan Pero feeling ko, as maybe tambay sa clinic to miss class, maybe.
Naughty na yun. Good boy ka talaga. How about you, Rafi? Meron ba?
Siguro po, yung nahuli ako na nangungopia sa klase ko.
Pinatawag ka sa principal mo.
Hindi, pinatawag po ako doon, tapos parang sinabi ko pa, yung kaklase ko may kasalanan kahit ako talagang pumipilit sa kanya.
Naku, ganito lang. Requirements part naman of school life.
Yes po.
And yung ibang cast mo, may uses mo. And then,
Let's go,
dahil kasi yung student siguro, student guys, nagkating or something, pero pa, lahat ko meron na pinaginawa.
Ako po, meron po akong ginawang naughty. Actually, hindi ako nadamay lang po ako kasi mag-moving up na po kami nun, grade 10 kami, tapos grade 11 na. Wala po kaming graduation pictorial kasi hindi naman po siya talaga moving up sa graduation ceremony. Galing po kami sa play, so may props kami ng mga alcohol bottles, ganyan. Tapos, gumawa kami ng DIY na graduation cake. Tapos marami sa amin, may hawak na alcohol bottles. Tapos pinost nila sa Twitter, nakita ng mga alumni. Sinumbong po kami sa principal, tapos mantika na po kami hindi mag-moving. Hindi naman po kasi hindi po ako kasali doon. Yung classmates ko.
Okay, for my last question. Andres, how did your college or high school yearbook describe you?
My yearbook, well, hindi ko maalala pero parang mabait lang. Yun lang siguro ang naalala ko na talaga sa yearbook ko. Yun lang.
Alright, thank you so much. Once again, that is Dolly Ann Carvajal of the Philippine Star. Next up, it's Pao Kanyamo of TikTok. Yeah, TikTok content creator.
Thank you so much. I know, Direk, and of course, to the cast. After watching the trailer, grabe na kasi namin yung connection ninyo, yung kulit, yung kilig, and we cannot wait to watch it next year. Direk, paano nyo nagawa yung ganito? Paano yung magic tong cast na to? Parang nag-jive it together at nakita namin sa trailer.
I think yung first naman talaga, kaya siya naging ganun is because yung source material itself is very interesting and that's written by Lara. Yung mutya ng section 350 million reads. so far sa Wattpad. So, yun, we were given with a good storyline. And then from there, after namin nag-audition, laking tulong talaga ng workshops. Kasi most of these cast members, it's their first time to act. So, kumbaga, first time nila lahat, there's sila matutong mag-markers, everything, yung mga sinasabi ni Andres na reverse angle, mga ganun. So, interesting lang, nakakaano kasi lahat sila, even if it's their first time, lahat sila gusto talagang matuto at matunayan that they deserve the characters that they were given dito sa series na to. Kasi alam namin na yung Wattpad fans, they're really very protective of their characters. So, yun yung challenge ko nila. Patunayan nila that you deserve their role. And yun naman yung nagustuhan ko. On their own, they bond, they help each other. Walang lamakan, tulungan talaga lahat. And siguro kaya dahil doon lumabas yung kakulitan ng mga cast members sa series.
Pero kung kamusta naman pagkatrabaho sa kanila, like, mababait ba? Kamusta makukulit pa rin ba off-camera?
AJ. Mababait sila. So, hindi niya, totoo talaga, mababait. Pero syempre, mga teenagers, mga, minsan mga makulit.
Sorry.
Hindi. Joke. Hindi. Ano naman, nothing na unusual, nothing na nagpe-prima donna, wala. Yun yung gusto ko sa kasa to, walang prima donna, walang feeling entitled. Lahat talagang gusto ko patunayan. So, yun naman yung maganda working with newcomers. Wala pa silang ego.
Wala naman dumamang sa batas, gumawa ng tribute.
Thank you so much, Derek. And my last question is for Ashton. Ashton, kamusta naman? Since ikaw na naging isang mutya, isang babae sa working with them sa isang room, kamusta naman yung experience mo at paano mo ito pinaghandaan?
Masaya. Actually, sabi ko nga kanina, hindi ko talaga na-feel na nag-iisa akong babae. Sobrang comfortable ko sa kanilang lahat talaga. Parang kahit ano pwede ko sabihin sa kanila. Tapos, ayun, sobrang, I feel so blessed na ako talaga sa opportunity na ito.
Guided ka rin naman nila, no? Guided? Like,
Oo, mababait sila lahat. Nung nakaraan, ay, napapwede ko. Nung nakaraan nga, may sakit po ako. Tapos sila, AJ, are you okay? Tapos yung mga gamot, si Michael K. AJ na naman. Hindi totoo si AJ talaga, are you okay? Actually, gagano sila. Bibigyan ng pagkain. Lahat sila mababait po talaga.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
That's Kaniamo, TikTok content creator. On to the next one. It's Ana Cerezo ng ABS-CBN.
Hello! Congratulations! Kay Direk muna, Direk, pagka nagdidirect kasi talaga, ano naman ang kilig level mo out of 10? Siyempre!
Actually, sobrang, ang bilis ko lang pakiligin. Sige, ganito yun. Dalawa kasi love teams, di ba? May Jafer, ano isa? Ash, Jerry and Jafer. Ayan sila. So, kahit, ayun, ano naman ko mababaw lang ako Mababaw lang ako basta maayos yung acting nila, kinikilig na ako. Pero more than that din also, since sanay na, kumbaga alamin ko nang dinidirect ng mga kilig moments, hindi ko minsan tinitingnan yung sarili ko. Mas tinitingnan ko yung mga staff sa likod. Pag nanonood sila, kinikilig. So, naka-level 9 naman. 9 pa. Wala pa kami dun sa sila na So, siguro pag sila na, 10 na.
For Andres naman, syempre diba, yung trailer pa lang, kilig na. How does it feel na you're entering a love team na siniship ka na rin ng mga fans kayo ni Ashton?
Well, honestly, it feels really good. And doing the may eksena kami ni Ash, nakikilig talaga ako po kasi...
Actually, totoo yan. Minsan sa president yan si Kiefer, bakit kinikilig?
Yun nga, so kahit si Direk minsan he'll play music during the sequence. So, you know, I feel it naman.
Good feeling. How about,
great feeling.
Great feeling. How about you, Ash? How do you feel na, alam mo yun, entering a love team, tapos siniship ka na rin kay, Andres?
Ayun po, may mga naka-love team ako before, pero si Andres po yung nag-click po talaga. And sobrang, hindi ko po talaga in-expect. Hindi ko po talaga in-expect. Siyempre, Andres Mulak na yan, no?
Parang kinikilig yung dalawa.
Ayun, so, sobrang thankful lang po talaga kasi wala po talaga akong ina-expect. Pero parang answered prayer na din po.
May kilig rin?
Meron naman.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. That is Ana Cerezo ng ABS-CBN. Up next, it's Anarina Amistoso ng Anarina TV.
Hello, good afternoon. For my first question for the author naman, anong reaction mo after you watch the trailer? Yung piano section na kinikilig ko ba?
Ako ba? Namumukha mo si Direk. Kasi magkakami ko. So, ayun, natuwa ko ako tapos kinilig din. And, di pitatag din, na feeling ko, ayaw magsalita ng tapos, pero feeling ko nakikita sa nila yung nasa libro.
That's nice, that's nice. For the lead cast, tanong ko sa tatlo, ano yung attractive na feature na realize nyo while working together? For example, ano yung attractive kay Andres, ano attractive kay Ashley, ano attractive kay Ryan?